Hey man, my official Avid user certification course for Pro Tools is now enrolling again. That's right, you probably missed out on the first one because there are limited spaces available so that I can give one-on-one attention to every single student. If you're ready to really learn your DAW, stop fumbling around inside of Pro Tools and go ahead and get you a tangible credential that can prove your skills in the workplace and to your clients, this is what you need to do, man. Sign up right now. All the details are in the description below on how you can take a class with me to get Pro Tools certified. Don't wait. Just like the last term, this class will fill soon. If you are even considering getting your Pro Tools certification, there's no better way, not a funner way, not a cooler way to get certified than with your boy Wavy. Drop down in the description right now, click that link and register because you don't want to miss it again. Here's a bonus tip for all you click track users out there. If you open up that click plugin, you can actually change the sound of the click. That default cowbell sound of that Pro Tools uses on the click can actually bleed through the headphones and get into your recordings. If you want a more subtle click that won't give you as much bleed, go ahead and change over to the classic MPC style click. Hey man, I think it's time that you got your timing together. Let's create a click track. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Wavy Wayne from Wavy.com. And if you don't know yet, this channel is all about helping you to record and mix better and faster and apparently more in time. So today we're going to take a look at creating a click track in Pro Tools. It's actually pretty simple to do. If you want to use the grid mode for editing, you must use a click track when recording. This will help to ensure that your recordings are locked to a specified timing grid. Having your recordings locked to the timing grid will make editing and quantizing a lot easier. Let's take a look at how we can create and enable a click track in Pro Tools. So the first thing you want to do is simply just go up to the track menu in Pro Tools session. Go up to the track menu, hit create click track. Pro Tools is going to automatically create a track. A click track is just a auxiliary input track with a click plugin inserted, right? Now, if you got your track colors showing and stuff, this might be green or whatever, but it's simply an aux input track with the click plugin on it. Next, I want to just go ahead and open up my transport window. You can go up to the window menu and choose transport or hit the shortcut command numeric 1 and make sure that the metronome is active. Another way to do that is by hitting the number 7 on your numeric keypad. If you actually double click on this metronome button, you can customize that click even more. If you want to get even more in depth, if you want it to be during play and record, only during count off, you can even choose any other virtual instruments to run and drive the click. You can access that window as well by going to the setup menu and choosing click count off, right? That will open up that same dialog box as well. Once you have your click track created and you have the metronome enabled in the transport, all you got to do is start playing. And you should hear the click. Now look, hey man, if you love my YouTube channel, then you'll really love the Wavy Seals Elite. The Wavy Seals Elite is a membership group that offers you way more than you can get on YouTube. Not only do you get one-on-one communication with me at least once or twice a week through our live lessons, Q&As, but we also have multi-track practice sessions, 2-track practice sessions. I'll be bringing along other experts because I don't know everything. So every month we have monthly master classes where you get to learn from an expert in the field. We give each other feedback on mixes and help each other problem solve issues in the studio. As a member of the Wavy Seals Elite, you'll also get access to an amazing community of audio engineers and producers who are all learning and building with each other. There's 2 membership opportunities for the Wavy Seals Elite. You can choose monthly or annual membership. If you're ready to take your skills to the next level and really grow your career in audio production, the Wavy Seals Elite is what you're looking for. Here's a bonus tip for all you click track users out there. If you open up that click plugin, you can actually change the sound of the click. That default cowbell sound of that Pro Tools uses on the click can actually bleed through the headphones and get into your recordings. If you want a more subtle click that won't give you as much bleed, go ahead and change over to the classic MPC style click. So I'm going to choose the classic MPC accented and unaccented clicks. And now I got some clicks that won't bleed through as much from my headphones. Anytime that I'm recording raw signals in and there's no musical bed or timing reference already in the session, then I want to use a click track. I'll also use a click track if there isn't very much percussion in a section and I'm recording vocals or adding extra overdubs onto something and the timing reference just isn't there. Again, most of the times the drums are going to carry that timing reference for us. If there's a section where the drums drop out and we still need to stay locked into that timing, creating a click track is a great way to do it. I'm Wavy Wayne from Wavy.com. You can learn more about click tracks and Pro Tools and running your sessions in a professional way by signing up for my Pro Tools certification course. We're actually enrolling right now, and of course, space is limited, so I can give that one-on-one attention to each and every student. I hope to see you there so that we can all be certified, all right? Let's go and be dope.